Hello friends, once again I am here with my new video fixed LOD expressions. As the name suggests, a fixed LOD expression does not make any computations using additional dimension that are not already present in the view of the view or visualization. A fixed LOD expression is used to calculate the sum of sales for each category. You will also learn that calculating a fixed LOD help you to easily identify the percentage of the sales made for each category. So, with the same data set, we are going to use the function fixed LOD. So, what we will do, fixed LOD is used to specifying the exact level of detail what we want in our data set. What we will do, we will go to the new sheet, we will put category. Where is the category? We will simply drag and drop category here. Then we can see there are three category there: furniture, office supply and technology. What we will do now, we will put subcategory to the chart. Simply drag and drop subcategory here. Then we can see there are 4 number of subcategory under the category furniture. Then what we will do, now we will go to sales. Where is the sales? Where is the sales? What we will do, we will simply drag and drop sales here. Then we can easily see in which category, which subcategory have how much number of sales. So it is the sale in each category. If I want to see this in each category for fixed calculation, I will take the help of fixed LOD. What I will do, I will go to create calculated field. I will create a field here, fixed LOD. How to write it down? I will use fixed I will go for category fixed number in the field category. In which category, what is the sum of sales? What we will do, we will do sum function, and within this we will use for which function, for which value we want addition of sales. Then this calculation is valid. This is how we have to write it down. When we use LOD function, always start and end with curly brackets. This is thing you have to remember in all expression of the LOD. Then apply and OK. So if we want to calculate, what we will do, we will simply put fixed LOD here. This is the fixed LOD. This is sales, this is fixed LOD, so we can interchange this. Simply put sales here. So this is looking in a good manner, comparative. So we have interchanged this. We did find what is the sales in each category, what is fixed LOD, and what are the subcategory. What are the in each category, how much subcategory, how much sales, what is fixed LOD for each 3 category. So for how much percent of bookcase have how much percent of bookcase have of furniture. If we want to determine how much sales in the subcategory bookcase of the furniture, then what we will do for that, we will create a new calculated field, create calculated field, and we will put here percent of sales so what we will do now, how to define, how we can determine percent of sales, sum of sales divided by sum of fixed LOD, sum of which thing you want, sum of sales divided by sum of fixed LOD expression. Now do apply and do OK. Now what we need to do, we need to do simply drag and drop this thing here. So this is showing as 0. What we need to do, we need to do some formatting. What we will do, we will go here, sorry, we will simply left click here, we will go to format, we will go to number, and we will click here, we will convert this to percentage up to one place. So friends, I hope you understood. All things have been converted, all subcategory have been converted to the percent of sales. So if we will add this one thing, then you will find out that the sale 100% of category furniture, 100% of the category office supply, 100% of the category of technology. If we add this, so we can easily identify in which category which subcategory is more beneficial in a correct way. So this is the use of fixed LOD, fixed level of detail expression. I hope you understood how we can use this in an in uh, large to large tables where there are millions of rows, and how easily the this application the of this application of Tableau can simplify the overall tables. So friends, thank you so much. I hope you understood.